Prizm Trio 14891. Let's do this thing. Giving away the magic. No, but not a stupid question at all. Very late cover for Ringer. It is 8:30, so time has drawn near. I do have bad news about the Optic Choice, the Prizm Choice soccer. One is that 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is the heat. 5 times heat on top. And it is that we only have 2 boxes in store at the moment, so I will have to order another one. So, Michael Vanderput, first team gone. We never talk about the first team gone. Yeah, no. So, we only have 2 in store at the moment. I will open... If that break fills, I'll open 2 of them and chuck in a cherry pie, and then open the 3rd when we order another one in. All right. Oh, a Tiger. It is at a 20. Oh, boy, this could be an all-timer box here. Silver, Christian Wood. Silver, Jaden Hardy. And Brooke Lopez. There's going to need to be. It's the next card. Bones Island. It's Allen Iverson Tiger. And in terms of 76, it's one of the better ones you could get. It's a Rockets. It's unfortunately not a rookie. It's Kevin Porter Jr. to just 20. 18 to 20. Nice card. To 88, Julius Randle. And to 49 for the Grizzlies, Jake LaRavia. No, so... if that EPL choice break fills, I will throw in... I'll open the 2, throw in a cherry pie, and then open the last one when it comes in probably about a week or so. All right, fast break. Yeah, there's definitely people who do collect them. All right, Simmons. No, I don't know what I'm saying on these guys. Steph Curry, blue, number 2, 150, 125 or 150. Prismatic green, Jalen Green. Oh, very nice, Messi, LaRavia. Another numbered card coming up. This time it's a red for the Bulls of Alex Caruso. Red on red. Down to 100. Paolo, luck of the lottery disco. Jabari Smith. Disco, Harrison Barnes. Disco, Prismatic Devin Booker. Ty Washington. Oh, our variation coming up. Disco, Brandon Clark. Disco, Usman Dieng variation. Trevor Kills. Peely about to send me down a bad rabbit hole. Purple, Evan Fournier. Number 275, Giannis widescreen, Tyrese Martin. Disco, Mousse Diabate. Disco, Fireworks AD. EJ Liddell. Purple Magic, oh, that's a nice colour match. Purple Magic Johnson, number 2, 01 to 75. Silver, Soshan. Nice true rookie silver there. Ochai Agbaji. Disco Lillard, silver KPJ, little KPJ party. Jaden Ivey, L-I-V. Is this a double auto box? Holy. Blue, Donovan Mitchell. That is number to 150. It's Ty Washington Jr. and it's Caleb Houston. Both you would describe as not the rookie you're looking for, but 2 autos in 1 pack. Absolutely take it. Caleb Houston, Ty Washington. Double autos. Beauchamp and Dan Hardy. Could have been Paolo and Jabari. Hey, listen, that's still all right. Disco Fultzy. Fireworks Harden. and Ryan Rollins. Yeah, no, you take 2 autos any day of the week. There's 3 left in that APL choice. This is Hobby. Prizm. Red Wave, Reggie Bullock. Prismatic, Anthony Davis. A Silver, THT. Christian Braun. Jabari Walker. Again, if you did miss it, we'll give away a pie in it because there's only 2 boxes of Prizm choice here at the moment. Prismatic Mobley, Silver Harden, Benedict Mathurin, Caleb Houston, which is annoying, but I mean, you'll get it open regardless. If it doesn't feel tonight, I'll put a little TBC on it, to be confirmed. Red Wave rookie, Johnny Davis. Shaq Fearless, Hyper Bam Adebayo, Shade on Sharp. Red Cam Reddish. Number 299, and it's Michael Thompson signature. I saw that old Laker colorway and got excited. Michael Thompson. Hyper Adebayo, Isaiah Mobley. A blue cracked ice, Eric Gordon. Number 125, Fireworks, Kawhi Leonard. Silver, Jay Sean Tate. Chet Holmgren, Usman Dieng. Andrew just said something pretty interesting. He asked Bailey about what sort of mess he made at Cherry last time he was here in a bit of an insulting way. Orange, Penny Simons. Number 249, Chris Paul. Silver, Cody Martin. Dyson Daniels, AJ Griffin. What do you think about that?
Me?
Yeah. He's just like, what mess did you make? He thought Bailey made a mess, not acknowledging Red Wave, Jamal Murray, Fearless, Donovan Mitchell, Pulsar, Paul George, a potential mess of his own, Blake Wesley, Bryce McGowans. Just a brave choice, I think. Because that's one thing about Bailey, he is very clean for a big old Cyclops man. Remember the old chunk of virus? Purple, Josh Hart, number 149. Prismatic, Steph Curry. Hyper Lou Dort. Josh Minott. Kenneth Lofton. Come on, give me a 1-on-1. Silver, Prismatic, Kyrie Irving. James Harden. Silver, Josh Richardson. Nikola Jovic. You know when you get excited when you see that classic Lakers colorway? Magic Johnson. You know, those sort of guys. Thanks, Michael Thompson. Silver, Anthony Edwards. Zion Widescreen. Silver, Vinnie Williams Jr. Walker Kessler. Oh no, fingerprints on the glass door. That's not going to get Andrew in trouble. That'll get someone else in trouble. Blue, Dougie Brooks. Number 109, Fireworks, Jason Tatum. Hyper, Bruce Brown. Graham Ewing, Scottie Pippen Jr. And then this should be... Do you already have both autos? Luck of the Lottery, Shade on Sharp. Hyper, Gary Payton. Paolo Banchero, Prizm rookie. Coloco. And that is Prizm Trio 14891.